What's going on, everybody? Canyon here from MarineMax for Palm Beach, and today I'm going to be walking you through this beautiful Formula 350 CBR. Let's hop up inside. I'm going to show you a few awesome features. We are powered by these triple Mercury 350 horsepower V10s. They are paint matched, looks very nice, and they'll push this boat upwards of 60 miles an hour. As we move towards the front of the boat here, you'll see we have this huge aft sun pad. Great for laying out, getting some sun. We have the adjustable backrest that can transform into forward face or aft seating. So we're here in the cockpit of the boat. One thing you'll notice, we have a ton of comfortable seating. Great for entertaining friends and family. Nice table here. Alongside with that, we do have the wet bar. We got a freshwater sink, trash can underneath here, as well as a refrigerator. We'll step a little further into the boat here. Just a quick overview of the helm. It is joystick piloted. We do have the upgraded twin ray marine display, all your switching and toggles here. And here to my left, we have the cabin entry. That is climate controlled. There's a lot of additional features of this boat. If you'd like to check it out, take it for a ride. I'm Canyon here at MarineMax for Palm Beach.